Pink is like, I'm coming for the girls. I'm in the streets now. What's up?
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? How y'all been? How you doing, girl? You know I love to ask how you guys are doing. Hopefully you guys have been having a great day so far. But today we're going to be doing a deep conditioner hunt. I know you guys haven't seen one of these in a long time, and that's because, to be honest, y'all, I ran out of deep conditioners and I haven't felt compelled to purchase anymore. We're gonna thank Luster'sPINK, but I'll be saying pink a lot in this video for sending over these products, especially the deep conditioners, because I haven't deep conditioned my hair in a while, guys. I've just been shampooing and conditioning and going about my day. You know the vibes. If you know, you know. And if you don't, I'm happy that you've been deep conditioning. Keep it up, okay? Good job. First of all, well, secondly or thirdly, I don't know how many points I just mentioned, but Pink actually has deep conditioners now, y'all. They do. Pink, the brand Pink. If you guys have been around for a while, I mean, I am not that old, or am I? Probably. You guys know Pink back in the days, the Pink lotion. I actually have it. I haven't gotten around to trying it yet because you guys know, once I like a product, I stick to it and I don't really care to try anything else. But wash day products, I would try those in a heartbeat. Kind of, not really, but still. I love trying deep conditioners, and I guess that's why I created this series, so you guys can see what I like. If you want to try it or not, you would know how Razor feels about it, and maybe you'll get the same experience. If you don't, different heads, you live and you learn. That's just how life goes. Pink, as I said, I have the Repair and Strengthen Mask with coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and botanical extracts. It's an intense conditioning treatment. If you guys are familiar with my deep conditioner series, you guys know my hair is shampooed and we go straight into deep conditioning. This is how Jermaine is looking. Jermaine is just growing and we love to see it. Pink, what does your deep conditioner claim to do? I hope you're not out here lying, because we will pull you up with honesty. So it claims to address the needs of weak, damaged hair and improves manageability. Okay. It has in pea protein. It claims to strengthen and deeply penetrate, to nourish and moisturize, right? It claims to add shine, make your hair soft, smooth, moisturized, and shiny. You out here claiming to do a lot of things, so we're going to see today. So there's no mineral oil, petrolatum, phthalates. Okay, I need to Google the pronunciation of that word. No silicones as well. Apply to damp, freshly shampooed hair. We ready. Cover hair with a plastic cap. I don't have one, so we're gonna use a plastic bag. You know the vibe. You're gonna leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. You can use a heat cap or a hooded dryer for the best results. And you guys know already, I usually deep condition my hair with heat if I have time. My hair has been drying out for a while, so we're gonna re-wet. This smells like lotion. Smells like a shea butter lotion with hints of coconut oil and cocoa butter. I'm also smelling cocoa butter. So that's the smell. We're going to talk about the texture now. Okay, so it's not super thick, but it's not lightweight either. So as I pick up, it's not dropping back down as easily. So I guess it's more on the thick side. Now we're going to talk about how it applies. Yeah, I'm mostly smelling cocoa butter. So yeah, it's actually thick, to be honest. Let's see how it applies. I'll play it on my ends. So it's taken a little while to penetrate into my hair, but it did apply very smooth, and it's penetrating but not super fast, but it's doing its thing. So I can definitely see heat helping with a deeper penetration. It doesn't apply as moisturizing. It seems like a product where you have to add a lot more of it, and for me it seems like my hair has to be really wet to get the full effect. So I am definitely going to need to add more, which is cool, you know, because it doesn't only claim to moisturize, it claims to add strength as well, and there's protein in here, so we're looking for a balanced result. but it's not penetrating in my hair as quickly. First impression. Do we still do first impression videos around here? Yeah, we do around these streets. Oh, my hair is actually easy to detangle. You guys know I usually finger detangle while applying my deep conditioners, but that can also depend on how moisturizing the product is, if you know what I mean. The only time I would use a tool, okay, but that's not what the video is about. Anyway, you guys know I have a completely different texture or textures. Depends on if you're coming from the back to the front or the front to the back. But I'm noticing that the texture in the front is changing to match the texture at the back. I don't know why that is. I'm not gonna complain, but it's still quite different. Spritz my hair with water. Work the water into my hair. Apply on this big section first. Get the roots a little bit and drag that product down. It's not one of the most moisturizing deep conditioners that I've used, but I am noticing, as I said, I need a lot of water to activate that moisture or application, which is fine. We're just gonna see how it works out in the end. But as you can see, detangling is actually quite a breeze. But I am going to lose some hair as I detangle. But I'm noticing that I've not been losing as much hair as I usually do. I'm not afraid of shedding. Your hair is going to shed. Probably gonna lose hundreds of strands a day or a week or a month, depending on how often you detangle your hair. So don't be afraid of shedding, guys. It's normal. Unless you're seeing huge balls of hair coming out, then I think you have a problem that you should definitely check out. Hair is looking good and feeling good, actually. It applied well to this texture right here. Now this is the section. This section of my hair, to be honest, doesn't really... She difficult. Well, he difficult. Jermaine at the top is very difficult. Okay, he has been improving. Application is going smooth for this part as well. So I like to apply product on the big section first. I don't know if I completed my thought when I said this. On the big section first, and then break that into half or so I can get in here. Because you see, in here ain't get nothing at all. Break those sections down and then detangle. Ooh. And be careful on those edges. My fingers are going this way first while coming down. I mean, you just have to figure out your hair and how things can work. And if something is not working, you figure out a way to make it work, or you try something else, you know? You just have to learn your hair. That's it. I know you guys are tired of hearing this. Me too, to be honest. But what may work for me is not necessarily gonna work for you. But you can try. And if it doesn't work, then it's okay. Try something else. I'm excited to see how this turns out. I just love deep conditioning my hair. And for someone who loves to do it, I don't know why I haven't been doing it. I guess it's just time, and it's just the fact that I have to shampoo my hair, come out of the shower, and then deep condition and then go back into the shower. Sometimes I'm just not about that life. The curls are curling. What are you talking about? The curls are curling. Okay, Pink is like, y'all about to know me for something else, not just my lotion. Pink is like, I'm coming for the girls. I'm in the streets now. What's up? Pink is ready to fight. Pink chose violence. My hair looks good already, and I haven't even went under the hooded dryer yet. So I'm about to do this side. I'm gonna stop talking now and focus. And we are done. That didn't take too long at all. Application was really easy. My hair was easy to detangle, didn't have too many tangles, and we was just slipping and sliding. Pink has my hair looking good. Listen, this is really doing something. Wow, you guys see the curls? Wow. Okay, Pink. Okay, Pinky. I think it's about time that I invest in some extra large plastic caps. But until then, we're just gonna use what I have. So I'm gonna put on a plastic bag and go under the hooded dryer. I don't have any information on this dryer because, as I mentioned before, it's extremely old. Quickly, I just wanted to show you guys how much of the product that I used. This is how much of the product that I used. So I'm looking at about 2 more uses, maybe 2.5, and a half would be using another product with it to make it 3 uses, but it's 2.5 because that's about how much more I can get out of this. That's about how long deep conditioners last for me, and especially for this size. So this is 11.5 ounces. With the amount of hair that I have, I'm just letting you guys know how quickly I would go through products. I don't know if I'm the only one, but while I deep condition my hair, I like to watch Netflix, and I'm currently watching season 7 of the 100. Yo, I love the 100. I don't know if it's the 100, but it's 100 something 100. I am obsessed. I've been obsessed. So I'm just gonna watch my Netflix. Let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about or if you watched it before. But as I said, obsessed. Okay, and I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done. This is how we Netflix and chill over here. We don't need no other body. Bye. The claims have been tested. Hair feels soft. Hair feels moisturized. You guys see that the curls are popping. My hair feels nourished. It feels strong. Pink! Pink! Pink. You really about to step. Okay, we see you, Pink. But my hair feels so good, y'all. My hair feels good. Soft, moisturized. I mean, I don't think it's the shiniest. It's not a 10. I would say a 9 or a 9.5. Somewhere in between those lines. I have to use it again to really see, but for my first use, my hair feels really good. The curls look really good. Listen, my hair, I'm gonna say it one more time. If you're annoyed, sorry, but my hair feels and looks good. Love it. So I'm going to put in my leave-in conditioner and probably braid up or twist up my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching, as I said again, and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.